Hi everyone, I'm Sneha Pranav. Welcome to Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. I'm Sneha Pranav. Today I come up with a wonderful topic. Than to say topic, temple, Sri Mahabaleshwara temple located in Gokarnam. If anybody is not subscribed to my channel, I humbly request you to please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon wherein whenever I'm posting this video, you will get the updates then and there. So, having said that, it's nested along the serene coastline of Karnataka. Uh, Sri Mahabaleshwara temple in Gokarnam stands as a significant pilgrimage site, and it with the spiritual heritage and the sceneries around the temple, renovated for its architecture and rich historical background. The ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva in the form of a powerful lingam, believed to be one of the seven mukti stalas. It is something called mukti stalas, called places of liberation in India. Today we are going to talk more about Sri Mahabaleshwara temple. We will delve into its historical roots, architectural marvelous, vibrant festivals, and the cultural richness of Gokarnam, offering a comprehensive understanding of a site and including its legacy. So today in this session, we are going to talk more about its history. As I said, um, it is nested in the lush forest and the serene landscape of Gokarna. Sri Mahabaleshwara temple is not just a feast for your eyes but also a spiritual event for many people. It's revered as one of the holiest temple in India. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is worshipped here in the form of a powerful lingam. This temple holds a prominent place in the hearts of devotees and has been a key pilgrimage site for centuries, serving as a symbol of faith, devotion. It's conveniently located in the coastal town of Gokarna in Karnataka. Reaching Sri Mahabaleshwara temple is a easy thing, provided you can navigate the roads. Of course, it is beach oriented roads. It's like 150 kilometers from Goa and 480 kilometers from Bangalore. It's accessible by road and rail. The nearby or nearest railway station is in Gokarna, and local transportation options also available, such as rickshaws and buses, and readily available to whisk you straight to spirit and spiritual sanctuary. So pack your bags and get ready for a divine road trip along with the adventure. Love that beaches and the beach road, you will enjoy it. The roots of Sri Mahabaleshwara temple dig down to antiquity, with evidence tracking back to the 4th century. The temple is believed to have been built by ancient kings, with numerous inscriptions hinting its standing significance in religion, spiritual, and cultural fabric. Its timeless architectural historical treasures that it provides more volumes about dedication, and its artistic way of the temple is maintained till today. Where there is a temple, there is a bound to be some intriguing stories, right? So legend has it that the site of the temple is where Ravana, the Denom king from the epic Ramayana, performed penance to obtain the powerful Atmalinga from Lord Shiva. The divine drama unfolds further with the tales of how the temple get its name, embodying the cosmic connection between the divine and the earthy. It's a mythology over there. Over the centuries, the temple was witnessed numerous significant events, from royal invasions. In 16th century, it was re-established by Chalukyas, who ensured its preservation. The temple also been a silent observer of pivotal historical monuments, including a rise and fall of dynasties. So if walls could talk, imagine the tales they will tell. So, having said that, the architecture of Sri Mahabaleshwara temple is splendid blend of traditional Dravidian style and intricate craftsmanship. The main sanctum or Garbhagriha, we call it, it is a houses the relieved The revered lingam and the striking gopuram are the complements the temple aesthetic allure with the ornate pillars and expansive country yards. The design captivates not just the devotees but also the architectural enthusiasts. I also want to tell you, are you as you go and invade the place, as you reach there, your eyes peeled for stunning sculptures and carving adoring in its walls. Each piece tells a story, depicting scene from Hindu mythology and illustrating the divine drama that plays out in the middle in the minds of faith. These artist marvels reflect that skills and devotions of craftsmen's skills who meticulously cherish them in the existence. Like a beloved old sweater, Sri Mahavali, I just I'm telling in a way, in a colloquial way, Sri Mahabaleshwara temple has seen its share of wear and tear over the years. It has undergone several renovations to preserve its glory and integrity. The restoration efforts not only maintain the temple structured surroundings and soundness, but also ensure that rich culture heritage remain intact for future generations to admire and appreciate and to follow our rituals, our culture, customs, and everything. At the heart of temple is called Atmalingam, the self-manifested form of Lord Shiva, which draws countless devotees every year. As I say, as I to elevate this, the Atmalinga is not merely a religious symbol, a but a tangible connection to the divine. It is a belief that worshipping at this temple can absorb one's sins and lead to spiritual liberations. I also want to extend, legend has it that every visitor leaves the temple who with a heart full of peace and uh, mind free from worries. So, having said that, the glimpses into mistake and charm of Sri Mahabaleshwara temple, Gokarna, is like a wonderful experience that you can feel when you go. In this temple, the festive calendar reads like a who is who of Hindu celebrations. The biggest show stoppers Mahashivaratri. This festival dedicated to Lord Shiva transforms the temple into vibrancy of people, light, fervent prayers, dramas about Shiva Parvati or Shiva, how that linga has been formed in that place. Also, something like dance and also like art, culture, singing. It's like overall of. The atmosphere is electric as devotees engage in night-long vigils and chanting and offering sweet threats to the deity. It's a beautiful thing. Once, if you have time, you can go and visit there during the festive time. You will enjoy it. So you can, I want to extend this. What's a sacred temple without a sprinkling of rituals, right? So the daily practices at Sri Mahabaleshwara temple is steeped in tradition. From the early morning Abhishekam, there is a ritual bath of idol Shivalingam, that is the Atma Lingam, to every arati, that is offering light. Devotees are often seen lining up to the partake in the rituals armed with the flowers, coconuts, and healthy dose of devotions. And it's meant in a very very sacred place. The temple is not just a religious hub, it's a cultural melting pot. Frequent cultural events showcases local art forms, dance recitals, and musical performance that keep the vibrant tradition alive all the time throughout the year. It's something like 24 bar 7, 365 days. If you're looking for an ideal time to soak in the vibes of Sri Mahabaleshwara temple, the post monsoon months from September to February, or the simple sublime the so you will enjoy it. Getting to the Gopuram is easier than finding an ex, uh, it's like you just need to find a airport in W airport in Goa. about 140 kilometers away. So within that you can reach to Gokarnam and you will find a way. So pack your bags and don't forget to enjoy that wonderful experience in the temple. When it comes to staying near the temple, the options are as a diverse as a box of chocolates. Budget travels can find quaint guest houses and stay homestays that offer a slice of local life. So if you want to enjoy more, Gokarnam is steeped in rich heritage where traditions are not just preserved but celebrated with more of a spirituality. After soaking up the spiritual vibes at Mahabaleshwara temple, consider exploring nearby attractions like pristine beach of Gokarna. Think like a Cuddle and Om Beach for sunbathing and sunset viewing. So you will enjoy more places over there. Maybe like Mirjan Fort. Other details you will find there. So if you want, no trip is complete without indulging in the local fare. So Gokarnam offers an array of dining options with delicious South Indian cuisine that will tickle your taste buds. So, having said that, visiting Sri Mahabaleshwara temple can transformative experience, blending spirituality with a sense of community. Also want to tell you, in a world that often rushes by a breakneck speed, places like Sri Mahabaleshwara temple remind us to slow down and reconnect with our spiritual self. The temple stands as a beacon of the seeking solace, community, and deeper meaning in a chaotic world. So, having said that, Sri Mahabaleshwara temple holds a special place in the hearts of devotees, travelers, and across the world. It plays a wonderful field. So I hope you like this video. If anybody is not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm posting this video, you will get the updates then and there. So I'm Sneha Pranav. I once again welcome you back to my YouTube channel, Brihaspatiye. Be the best version of yourself. Until next video, start a bye bye from Sneha. Stay safe, be safe. Bye bye.